Here, welcome to all my dear students. Myself, Dr.J.K.Sali. In the last lecture, we had seen techniques of time management. Today, we are going to learn principles of time management and significance of time management. So, let's start with the new topic, principles and significance of time management. Introduction of time management. Time management is the act or process of planning and exercising conscious control over the amount of time spent on specific activities, especially to increase effectiveness, efficiency, or productivity. It is difficult to manage the time compared to other resources. People talk about managing time. They really mean managing themselves and therefore choosing to use time in the most appropriate way. Definition of time management. Time management is not about creating more time, but rather about making the best use of the time we have. Time management refers making the best possible use of time and doing the right time at the right time. Managing time well placed. The role is finishing of tasks within the stipulated time and frame also increases the productivity of an individual. In this slide, now we will discuss principles of time management. Time is the resources, and unless it is managed, nothing else can be managed. Time is constant. Cannot be arranged. The effective time management is achieving success is an organization. The first principle of time management is plan and organize. The manager must take some time out to make the plans for successful office administration. The manager plan to do many things. He needs to first organize his plans into sequence that makes sense to him. Next point is set goals. Goal setting gives the focus. It gives the direction. It helps your energy and together to achieve the important targets. The directions may come in the way when one is striving to achieve the goals, but one should be firm and strict to set the goals easily. The office manager should break goals into small pieces so that he knows exactly and what is to be done. Next point is priorities. Office manager should written down his goals and target on the piece of paper. For example, meeting with subordinates and visit to a dealer with the media, government office visit, and so on. Next is to arrange them in order or the importance from top to bottom. The implication of this is the time available to the manager and allotted to each of its set target and goals. Thereafter, next point is make a workable timetable. This is the most important the points. The manager should create a workable timetable. A timetable will always help in the manager with the fast ticking time. Effective time management. They should be realistic and workable. They just means that he correct about time should be given each and every goal. Next point is stick to schedule and be disciplined. The organizing and planning, setting the goals, timetables, and the whole time management process without the discipline. It should be remembered that the joy of task and achieving the set goals. Next point is use a timer. The office manager should be reminders and write notes to be reminded what is to be done. It is easier nowadays with the mobile phones and other electronic devices. It is important of constant reminder. It is a great way of keeping to timing and meeting with the appointments. Next is flexible. Timetable should be kept flexible. They always make some time for them. They should try as much as possible to cut out directions. In some of them, they will be very important and have to be attended. Manager must create time for urgent so he loses temperament and focuses. Next point is be focused. He allows himself, then the time will be wasted and task will never be completed. The help of focus, the manager should try to think about fulfillment and he will get the goals. The last principle of time management is avoid the that means postponing activities which you should time now. The office manager can overcome in the breaking tasks into similar pieces. So these were the various principles of time management. Significance of time management. Time management is important for successful career. It teaches how to manage time effectively and make the most of it. The first is time is special resources that one cannot store or save for latest use. Most people like they have too much to do and not enough time. The lack of time for their poor unachieved goals, stress and bad relationship. Managing time can help them find the time for what they desire to do or need to do. Next is time management will help set priorities. It helps to make conscious so that they can spend more of time doing things that the important and valuable. Next is one can learn to find time for the things that are important to them. Manager become more productive, improve the time management skill and tools. Time management can help a manager to reduce time waste, and this may help to become more creative and productive. He avoids the expending too much emotional and mental energy on what people say if we stay in spite of difficulties. So these were the various significance of the time management. Thank you.